Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is down in the description of that video, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see here, that daily candle here, how it's finished here, it gave us here a pin bar as you see it here. Even if we zoom it like that, we see it here together as you see guys here. Look at that nice pin bar here. How is it? You see it or no? What that indicating? That candle, it's indicating we couldn't break that level here. That level I showed you before of 27k, we couldn't break it. It's still very stronger level guys. That's what me I told you yesterday in the last video. I told you if we don't break in that level here, and I told you if it doesn't come a red candle and close it like that in the daily candle like that, that means there is no falling down. And that's what it's showing the market till now. It's showing here. Maybe from here we're going to see a jump upwards guys. So till now everything it's still the same. Nothing was changed here in the daily. And that channel I show you in the 4 hours. Look at it here in the daily how it look. It's more accurate here in the daily than the 4 hours. Exactly here. Look with me here. If I came like that, as you see it. You see it or no? We touching the top of it here. Now we touching the lower of it here. Maybe from here we're going to go up, maybe not, because we're still waiting what's going to happen. And may I give you all the plans. If you're watching our last video, I give you all the plans. They are going to happen here. I told you like that. Either we're going to fall down to that level here, that one here of 25k. We are very close to it, but we haven't touched it. Maybe we're going to see another drop here to touch it here. But Saturday and Sunday, you know the market is going to stay sideways here. So there is nothing now till Monday guys. Then we're going to make a decision based on that. Till now there is nothing new here. And people they've been with us for some time now. They remember what us we said. Because us, people they've been with us we buying from down here from 15k. And I show you something here. Like that, I told you we got a wake up pattern here, that one that fake out here. It's getting broke here. Now we are very close to touch it here. If we touch it here, then we go back, we're breaking the last high here. That is going to be the last correction will happening guys. So get ready guys, get ready. People they haven't buy Bitcoin, don't come few days in the coming days and tell me I haven't tell it to you. Started buying guys here. Started buying. That's the only thing I can tell you. We buy from here when we touch the 50 moving average. Now you are here. Buy a little bit. If it fall down more, buy a little bit. Those days, just buy. Me as a person, I'm talking to you. Me, I'm not waiting the money of AdSense or YouTube or something. Me, I'm a trader and that's my job. Me, those days, I'm just buying. I don't care where it's going to go. Any peanut it came to my hand, I buy Bitcoin those days. Let me hope even you doing the same. Everything is too clear guys? Yes, it's not yet. It's still that correction is going to fall down. Maybe to here to touch that lower of that channel as we show you before to touch it here. Or maybe it's going to stay sideways here till it will touch it here. But the channel is still valid. The channel as we're talking about is that one. As you see it, we touch the top of it here. Now it's going to fall down to touch it. But you don't know, maybe from here it will not fall down. Maybe from here it will go in upward. Everything is too clear guys. And the last Friday I show you something here. Here in the daily I show you something here last Friday. It's zoom it. People they been with me last Friday. We make something here. Yes or no? We make that 2 levels. The first level here at 35k. The second level which is here at 26,500. Did we close below 26,500? Look at it. Let's zoom it to show it to you. That's the power of our analysis guys. Look at it. You see it or no? We came to that level here, then the market go back, it close above it. Yes or no? Now let's show you for that week where is the Bitcoin is going to go all that week. All is going there. Here we are, guys, that the page web also we using to make the options. So now let's see in the levels for the pots and the calls, and we started by the calls as every time. So here we are in the money at 28k, then we're going up 2500, up 29. Here, look at it. Here, where is the first level? The first level here with this at 29,500 as you see it. The pots here is 0 Bitcoin. The calls is 192 Bitcoin, guys. So that's the first level, which is at 29,500. Remember it with me, 29,500. Let's see now for the pots, where is it? For the pots, let's search it now together. 26 over here, it will be no one want to buy from here. At 25,500, guys, look how many pots they are there. You see it or no? Look the pots here. That level is very, very, very stronger than 25,500. Everyone want to buy from there. That's why me I told you try to buy a little bit. Let's go in more. 25. There is a lot of pots here. Where is the level, guys? Look at it. 24,500. So what else we said? We said 29,500, and here is it 24,500. So now let's go into the chart to doing the two levels together. So let's go in there. Here we are. We set the first level here, 29,500 like that. Then we click OK. As you see it, where is it? The down level we said it, 24,500 like that. Those ones the levels of that week, guys, as you see them here. So for the calls we got here 29,500. For the pots it's 24,500. By the way, those ones here, if the Bitcoin came here, they are accepted to buy at that strike price. And those ones here, if the Bitcoin came here, they are going to accept it to sell at that strike price. Me, I'm talking here about just naked pots. I'm not talking about vertical or something, and that it need another lesson, guys. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right. By the way, did you smash the like button? I know you don't. Please pause the video, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without it can growing up, so please, guys. Those days I saw you don't support in us. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. So here in the 4 hours, what else we said when we be in here? We said we don't got any price action here. It's telling us also we need to buy. But now I'm going to give you here a very, very aggressive price action, guys. Look with me here. If you came to that pick that one and that one like that, and you doing like that, and down here you came to that one and that one, what you got? You got a wage, very clear wage, guys. Look at it from here and here and here in the top and here. You got a very, very, very clear wage. That one, if it's getting broke here, that's when the market is going to go more higher. If it's getting broke down here, the market is going to fall down, guys. Everything is too clear. So now what should we do here? We need to wait and where it's going to be broke. If it's broken here, the take profit for that one is here in the top here at that level here. Everything is too clear, guys. Now what should we do here? And another scenario, it might even that one to happen, because look with me here at that level where we are here, that one here. From here, the day of inflation, we bounce up from that level here. As you see it, it might that chart here is going to come to that level here, then after that to give us another low to break for us that last low here. Yes or no? Now what should we do? I just show you got the price action here, that one here and that one here, and you wait where it's going to be broken, either to be broke down here, that's when you need to enter short, or to go back and to break here, that's when you need to enter long, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator I show you in the last video, we got here a very clear divergence like that. From that one and that one. I show you we got here a clear divergence like that. What should you do now? Should you enter long? Now, no. There is no entry long now. Now you can even make something like that, as it will not be accurate. So we need to wait until the right time, guys. Here also we still in a bear market. There is no one can tell you now us we changing from a bear market to a bull market. Because look where we are. We're still down here. So there is nothing new, guys. You need to wait in more. That for the people they using just spot. For the people they use a leverage and margin. If it's breaking that wage, I just show you now in the 4 hours, enter long or short. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, we be in here at the oversold area. I just show you even in the last video. Here now, we got a price action like that. We got here a wage like that, very clear wage here. Now that one, what should we do? If we came and we're breaking above here, we need to enter long, guys. That's it. If we came and we're breaking here at that level here, we need to enter long, guys. But if the market do something like that, came, touch the top of that wage here, then after that fall down and breaking the low here, we will enter short. That's it. That's what also we're going to do. Why should we enter long if it's breaking here? I'm going to explain it to you. You are in a very, very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it. From here last time, it bounced down. Now you are in it. Here, you touch it, and the market is showing as if it's going to reverse here. Our indicator is down here at the oversold area. Third thing, and that one the most important thing, because all those ones, level, indicator, all those ones, they don't work. The most important is the price action. The only price action you got now at this time is that wage, guys. Look at it. That wage here. If it's getting broke here, enter long, guys. Remember that. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Over here, last video used to be here. Yes or no? And I told you we're touching the lower of that channel. I show you in the last video. What the Bitcoin give you here? Look here. A very clear double bottom, guys. You see it or no? Where is going to go? It's going to go to touch the top of that channel. Let me show you where is it, that channel. You came like that. You zoom it out like that. And you came to that one here. And you do it like that. That the channel may I show you in the last video, yes or no? We touch the lower of it here. Now we are going to go to touch the top of it. If it's breaking here in that place, what should you do? Enter long, guys. That's it. People, they missing to enter from that double bottom which is down here. If it's breaking here, enter long, guys. Remember that. Everything is too clear. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, will be in here at the oversold area. Now it's coming from oversold area. You got there a double bottom, guys. Very clear double bottom here. Well, do you enter long? Yes, you can enter long now because it's going up more, guys, than that. Another thing, why me I'm still believing it's going to go up. Let me show you why. I'm still believing it's going to go up because we got here a very clear divergence down here, as you see it here and here. Another thing, our indicator here, it came out from the bear control to the bull control, guys. But when it's going to touch here the overbought area, you need to close everything. I'm talking here just about scalpers and day traders, because Saturday and Sunday the market is being flat, guys. Let me show you the divergence I'm talking about. Look here. If you came down here and you doing here a line like that, and you came to that one here and you doing a line to that place here, and that one here to that place here, then you came, you connecting them like that, you got a very, very, very clear divergence. Everything is too clear, guys. That's it for that video, and please, guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.